Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to upload videos on Facebook. So let's get started. At first let's get into Facebook app. So here it is. Now we need to simply click on what's in your mind written over here. Now here is photo and video option. So let's tap on this, and from gallery you can choose any photo or video you want. Since we are uploading video, choose any video, and once you are done adding the video, you can add something about your video as well. Once you are done with all this, simply click on post in the top right corner, and it's posting video can take few minutes as well. So it's done. We can see the video is posted. So this is all we can do to post a video on Facebook. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.